Hey guys, it's Glimmery Online. How are you? Today is how to make passive income online with no money and a free affiliate funnel. And if you don't know what an affiliate funnel is, don't worry, we're going to get into it. And make sure you stick around to the end because I've got something really cool for you that you're going to appreciate. Now, before we get started, if you like videos on how to make money and basically I just simply show you what I'm doing and hopefully it works for you. It should, because if you follow all the methods, it will work, because I'm just watching other people's methods. I'm going and trying them. Some stuff doesn't work, so I don't train on it. And other stuff I just bring here and I show you what I'm doing, and basically that's it. And hopefully you like my style, so you want to make sure you subscribe and smash the notification button. Now, how to make money online. So what is the concept of making money online? Well, it's really actually quite easy. You just have to sell something. The cool thing is you don't have to sell something that you made, or you don't even have to actually do fulfillment or anything. You actually just have to point someone to a website. Like simply like, hey, where's the beans? Over there. And if they go over there and buy beans, you get paid, right? Someone comes up and says, hey, where's this software? And you go, over there, right? Right there. And they go over there and they buy it and you get paid. That is affiliate marketing. So it's really simple. And what you get when you're affiliate marketing, you get basically a link that tracks that sale to you. And there's things I'm sure you've seen if you're online, you know that there's things called cookies. So cookies get put on the person's computer. So when they go back to that site, maybe they went to the site through your affiliate link, and then they go back to the site and then they buy something at that point. Well, your cookie hopefully is still there. Sometimes if they've gone through another affiliate's link, then that will knock your cookie out. Most of the time people go back and they buy something within 24 to 48 hours. Most cookies are on there for about 30 days. Affiliate marketing, some of them are up to a year, but that's getting sidetracked. What do you want to do? You want to have affiliate links. So where do you want to go find products to promote, right? I recommend, a lot of people love Amazon Associates, and that's great if you want to promote physical products. Physical products pay very little. And there's so much competition for it, and everyone's kind of selling it. I prefer information products or something that is a download. People are looking for information. It's the information age. They are looking for information. They're online. They want to learn more, right? And that's why there's so much information products out there, or PDFs on like schematics or blueprints on how to do things, right? And that's what people are really looking for. And those are so easy to sell because you can really target the people that are looking for specific things. You know, like say someone is looking for woodworking plans. Well, that is so easy to create content for that person because it's so specific, right? If someone is online looking for woodworking plans, do you think they're thinking about buying? They're either looking for some free plans to download or some very inexpensive plans that they can get their hands on, right? So if you have a product, which there are products, so you can get that right in front of them, and that's a really easy target. Someone that wants to lose weight. Now, weight loss is a huge market and it's very competitive. But if you create a site and you keep adding content for people to lose weight, you just keep adding more and more information for them, they are going to come to that information, right? It just takes time. Something like about 60 articles on a blog, and you're going, holy cow, Glenn, 60 articles is so much. Or you might be going, 60 articles, that's nothing, right? So depending on what your mindset is. But at that point, when you get up to that kind of volume on a blog, so here's the reality. People go out and make blogs. They end up doing like a couple of pages, and then they go, oh, no one looks at my blog. I'm not going to keep doing this. A couple of pages on the website, on the internet today is nothing. Unless those are highly targeted, very narrow niche pages, you're not going to get traffic. Like if you wanted to get traffic on that few of pages, you'd have to go like, what is the breeding habit of the rare, Madagascar scarlet-tailed purple whippersnapper, right? Now, that's something that is so unique that if you wrote an article on that, people would probably be going, well, that could rank because they could find it. But if you just went like the mating habits of the North American butterfly, no one's going to find it. You'd have to write so much content on that so that people would get it. And so I digress because I want to get into this affiliate funnel. So what do I have for you today? I'm going to give you an offer that you can promote. I'm going to give you a funnel that you can use. And you're just going to go, well, why do I want a funnel, Glenn? You just said I need to send them to a link. Why do you want a funnel? You want to collect emails. So remember when we talked about that cookie, right? Remember we talked about like the cookie? You want to be able to reach out to that person again in a day or 2 days or 3 days, or for a series of days, which is even better, and keep reminding them and going, here's that link that you wanted, so that they keep going back there and that cookie keeps staying on their browser, so that when they do purchase, you are more apt to get the sale. Right? So that's why you want to create an affiliate funnel. You also want to create a bridge page, which is something that gives you, and I talked about it in my last video, it gives you authority so that people are not just clicking a link to go to an affiliate product. There's nothing that you're not involved in it. When you send them to your own page, it's either on your domain, or maybe you're using, I use something called Clickfunnels. I can give you free access to that. They have a 2-week free trial, totally free. I'll give you this funnel, everything. So you're going to get this. So let's jump over and I'll just show you how simple, how super simple this is. Let me share my screen here. Now this is a basic capture page, right? You basically click here and it will pop up, and it'll pop up this and it'll say enter your best and real email address. Boom, right? All this stuff is editable, right? Like maybe you don't want to go how to start your own successful business. You know, you could do top internet marketing secrets 2020 revealed, right? Whatever you want to do, but I'm going to just give you the one that basically this one that's working really well. So I'll just give you this to you. And where are we going to send them? Well, it's really simple. There's a site online called ClickBank. You've probably heard of it if you've been watching any of my videos. You know I promote lots of ClickBank products, and there's a product here called CB Passive, and you can just find it by typing in CB Passive into the thing. If you don't have an account here, you just go to ClickBank and click sign up, put in all your information, and then you have an account. They give you instant access to have an account. Now this pays $196, 50% of $196, right? So it's what is it? We've paid more than USD 907 of 900, almost $1 million in affiliate commissions. Now, why I like this product is that they have a JV page. So the top page is going to be the link. So you can see, like, that's what the landing page is going to look like. This is the workshop landing page. So when you go to promote it, I'll just show you that. They give you an option. You can do the default, you can do a workshop, you can do sales letter, whatever you want. So if you just click that, you put in your username, or if you're signed into your account, it'll just automatically populate your username there. And then, but what you want to do is you really want to go to the JV page, which they're going to give you a ton of information that you're going to be able to use in your marketing for this. And this is why I love it, including emails and stuff like that. So you want to go through here, you want to register for it, you want to go through and you want to basically get all this content. They show you everything that's converting, all the stuff you can do, you can use to do it, all that kind of stuff. Average sale, top promoters on it, earn 50% of for a $297 offer. So it pays $148.50. There's recurring income on it. They have, where's all the swipe? When you register, you get all the swipes and stuff like that. You'll get the email swipes. So how is this going to work? So first off, you're going to create your link, right? So you're going to hit promote. And once you I'm gonna do that and I'll generate hot link. So this is what you want to copy, right? And then when you're in the affiliate, when you're in this right here, what you want to do is you want to go to general in the settings. Oops, that's selected there. You want to go to general. Stop. There we go. And right here, you want to put in your on submit. You want to put in your whatchamacallit, right? So that's it. You click off there, and then you always hit save. And this is set up. It will do the pop-up. Just add your autoresponder. If you don't have an autoresponder, click the link below, get set up. It's super easy. You just create a campaign, You connect them and it's done. It's no big deal, easy peasy. So what happens is people will go to this landing page. They'll click the instant access now. They'll type in their email. It will go into your email account where you will have your follow-up series from the thing. Now you guys are going to get this, so all you have to do is just load it into your you create a ClickFunnels account and it'll load it in for you. It's really that simple, and then you'll have this, and you can try it out for 2 weeks. And if you go, I'm not interested in that, you don't have to keep the account, totally free, and maybe you've even made some sales from using it to do this. Now, where are you going to promote this? So a lot of people are like, Glenn, yeah, but then I got to go do ads and I got to do Bing ads or whatever it is. Well, you don't really have to. If you have no money and you're really trying to get going at the beginning, I'm going to put a link to this thing called Referral Frenzy. Now, this basically gives you access to all these mailers. Now, people that are on mailers, they are a unique breed. They're all online marketers. They're all trying to make more money online. Now, what's cool is a lot of the people that are on here regularly, they don't really buy that much stuff because they're just really promoting mailers. But what happens is it's constantly a flux of new marketers coming in, finding about free mailers, and then moving on and doing other traffic sources, right? Like they go, oh, I didn't get as much out of it. So those are the people that you want to capitalize on. And that's why you want to have a really good offer, a really simple offer, because you want to collect the emails of those new marketers that come through this program. So this is really simple to use. You just sign up, you become a member, and then you just basically go through and you can join all these mailers for free, and you basically can send your offer out, and I can show you that. I'll put a video showing you exactly how to use this tool. But that's it, guys. It's really that simple. And what you can what you can start doing with that traffic is once you get a few sales, right? You want to go in and you want to actually probably use that money to actually spend it on advertising and getting more traffic to your offer until it's really happening. So there's ways of doing that. You can do Bing ads. I recommend Facebook ads. Facebook doesn't like affiliate marketing. It's really hard to advertise on Facebook. And to be honest, Facebook changes so much and it's expensive. It's starting to be not worth it unless you have a ton of money. You can do Google. You can target right onto certain videos. You could advertise right on my video, like boom, you could just advertise whatever you wanted on my video, other marketer videos. You can be really super precise in doing that. But the best one for when you're starting out is actually Bing ads, which is now called Microsoft Advertising. And that is basically, a lot of people just think Google's the only search engine. Well, no, there's Bing and Yahoo, and there's tons of search engines, and those get, like, right now I think Microsoft network is 116 million people a day. So it's not too shabby, and a lot of people are making millions of dollars advertising on Bing and thing. And there's a ton of training out there. I'm just getting started with Bing. I was doing a lot of Facebook ads before. I did a little bit of Google AdWords, but I've been really using organic traffic. Like that's my favorite traffic. My business partner really is liking Bing ads, so I'm kind of like getting more and more into Bing ads. Still learning, and when I have an exact formula that's working, I will definitely share it with you. But there's tons of training. There's tons of great training out there. So my tip for you guys, though, so here's the deal: get the offer below, right? Take the affiliate funnel and go set it up and go try, go join some of those mailers, send some traffic to your offer, and try to get some links and try to get some sales going. I can't guarantee that you're going to get sales, but if you use all the resources that they have there, the emails and stuff like that, you have a really good chance of getting some really good sales, right? And it's a matter of persistence, and it's a matter of volume. You just need to throw enough traffic at it and targeted traffic. So why I showed you the mailer traffic as opposed to for CB passive income is because that's mostly what people are looking for there. If you throw a weight loss offer at that traffic, those people aren't really looking for weight loss products. They're looking for ways to make money online. So that's why you want to use ways. They're looking for two things. They're looking for traffic for their affiliate marketing offer, whatever they're doing. So they want a new form of traffic, and they're looking for new forms of income. And that's what those people are looking for on there, and that's what you want to provide them. don't try to advertise weight loss to them or any other affiliate offer. You just want to advertise traffic and make money online products to them. So that's what I have for you guys. Hopefully that helps you out. Make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, message me. If you have any problems getting it set up, message me. I can walk you through, or I can just jump into your Clickfunnels account for you and get it all set up for you so you don't have to worry about it. We'll get you set up and going, because I don't want you to get bogged down in that stuff, because you won't make any money, right? So message me. I usually charge for setting up my other funnels. But if you want, this is very simple because it's one page. I can come in and I can help you spend a couple minutes and get you set up correctly. We'll jump on Skype or whatever. All right, guys, have a great day. Make sure you subscribe and share this video if you know someone that needs it. Drop a comment and all that good stuff. Talk to you soon. Bye.